How to link Instagram to Discord. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Go to your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you go to your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen, click on Share Profile in here. Then click on Copy Link. After link is copied, open Discord and click on You at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on the gear icon at the top right. Click on Connections in here. Click on Add at the top right. Scroll down in here. There's no option for Instagram, so what you can do is click on Domain and paste the link you copied earlier and press on Next. After you do this, Instagram will be added, and this is how to link Instagram to Discord. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.